Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrainsolutions.com on a Tuesday, 27 May. Yeah, we had obviously another reversal in the tariffs with the European, with Trump delaying the tariffs and, just the same typical patterns that we've been seeing, first on, then off. You sell off the market, you buy it and whatever. So that pattern probably continues until it doesn't work anymore. That's something to keep watching to see if that pattern continues to be in place. You know, that's one thing about gaining an edge. It's, you play the thing that works until it doesn't. And so far it seems to be working. So, basically, let's just real quick on the averages. We're right back to, well, actually the Nasdaq is trending back to the highs from last week, similar to the S&P. We came down and bounced off that level right there, that demand zone here at 57.63, and now we're headed back up to the resistance. Let's see if actually we can punch through this go round, and then get up into the 60.50 level, which is another supply here in the S&P. Right there. Nasdaq a little bit stronger because of the performance of the techs, particularly the Nasdaq shares. Also right up against resistance here, 2156. Didn't quite get down to that. That's still in play, by the way, this 2555. And then we had some levels up top. The Dow came off of the gap. It's trying to blow through the supply. Not much happening with regards to rates. They're coming off a little bit. If they break 440, then I think we're probably headed back down into the fours. Currencies, the dollar, basically just still trying to hang around the 9,900. Still hasn't broken out in either direction. I thought maybe it was bottoming out. It still could be bottoming out. It's just, as long as it doesn't break below 98, I think it may be still in the process of putting in a bottom. Elsewhere, not a lot happening. Oil just kind of stuck in a mud here. Very tight range, 60 to 64. It looks like it wants to break out to 63 as long as it can hold at this level here at 60. Looks like there's some support at 60, and then clearly 65 is the resistance. If it hangs in here, then it's probably ready for a breakout. Nat gas, similarly, we're getting rollover on the July contract. That's also looks like it wants to break out to the upside. But other than that, tomorrow you got NVIDIA, we got core PCE on Friday, back to the same. We'll see if the market actually goes to tries to make new highs. Looks okay right now, but as we know, anything can hit it. Rates are still okay, and I think if we got a bad reaction from NVIDIA, that could be the next catalyst, and if we get a hot inflation number on Friday. So gonna be an interesting week to say the least. Again, I have a class coming up. It's talking about gold and the dollar and interest rates and all that. We have a class coming up in 2 days, so sign up for that. Also, the newsletter, add some commentary, and we'll go from there. Okay, have a great rest of your week. Take care.